Hi, I'm Rachna Davda, and as you can see in the background, it's a office we have got designed by Simi and Samay Innovation. So basically, we got this office around like somewhere in the March this year, and we were really looking for some nice, vibrant interior designing space for this office, because basically we are into event industry, and as you know that event industry is quite vibrant, and we need to highlight the festivity in the each corner of our office. So we had met Simi year or two back, and she has already done a project for my brother-in-law. So that's how we know that she is very professional in her work, and she has delivered a good stuff. So we reached out to Simi, and I must appreciate that she is someone very easy to deal with. So she was she noted down all our points, that whatever we wanted in this office, how we want to utilize the space, because we had a specific requirement about how our director's cabin should look like, how our office staff area should look like. We wanted a storage, we wanted a nice pantry area, we wanted a nice entrance, and of course, as I mentioned earlier, it has to be little vibrant in every corner of the office. So we started with it. We had a couple of meetings with Simi. She had a requirement. She worked on the design. Design part didn't work as we expected, but she was really very nice in accommodating all the suggestions, and finally we came up with the design that you can see. Till we were not convinced about the design, we could not have started the work. So yes, it dragged like almost 3-4 months, because we were not sure about the design. But then once it kicked off, we had our work done. She really put all the hard work, and meanwhile there hasn't been a day where Simi didn't reply to my messages or my calls. So she has been always very much responsive to her work, and whatever requirements or suggestions or updates that we were putting in, she was kind enough to incorporate everything. So that way we were at ease. I mean, she never restricted her time that मैं busy हूँ या फिर message का 2 दिन तक reply नहीं किया. At least that didn't happen to me, so I'm happy on that part. And finally we could inaugurate this office on 7th of July. So pretty much the journey was quite nice, and till date she has been helping us out with minor finishing issues, because like me and my husband Anand, so we both are really very fuzzy around minor finishing and little stuff here and there. So she has been like very kind. She accommodated every suggestion, every request that we need to get this replaced. It is not looking good, she will do that for us. If there is a minor finishing, she will send her team twice and get it done. So all in all, good experience working with Simi, and we are happy that we got our space design as we wanted finally. It was a good experience working with her. Thank you.